May I have your attention, please? Cool.
That's the floor wax dispenser.
Floor wax?
Sometimes Casey can be so cool. Like now. Focused and grown up. Mature even.
Hey, you're right. I can still taste my hot dog. Isn't it great?
The gift that keeps on giving.
Too bad Mikey's missing out on his favorite pastime.
What was that?
Just the turtle with the gift of gas, the Baron of Belches, the Earl of Eructation, Michelangelo!
You are a turtle!
What's going on? I bring you your glass, Master. Without a drop of it hitting the floor.
Hey!
And there go the biscuits.
Have one of mine. All of a sudden, food doesn't have its usual appeal.
We learn to either live off the land, or it lives off us.